experience with Zac and the whole Sandy Hook team was awesome. We actually weren't intending to buy a boat, but they did such a great job, and we were so impressed with the Marex that we decided to pull the trigger.
Today we've got our people on board, we're getting our teak prepared, we've got our safety kit out, we're actually waiting on our customer to arrive. He's going to get here today. We're going to do a full extensive walkthrough with Volvo and an experienced captain. We're going to take him out on these waters, get him comfortable with the boat, and as long time as he needs to get acclimated, get to using the boat, using the product, that's our goal here today.
Zac has been nothing but helpful and very responsive throughout, and the team here in Naples has been great as well. We actually asked for a couple things to be added to the boat, and they took care of all those details between the time that we bought it and when we took delivery today. We had a great experience with our delivery today. The boat performs beautifully. It's a beautiful day here in Naples. You can't ask for anything better.